My school. I am a student at high school in my town. My school is not very large, but it's very modern. There are 20 classrooms, a big library, and sports hall. My favorite place is the library because it's very quiet. I go there to read books or do my homework. My teachers are very professional and kind. My favorite subject is biology because I love learning about nature and animals. I have many friends at school. We eat lunch together in the canteen. In the afternoon we play football or basketball in the garden. Sometimes we have school trips or different cities. These trips are very fun. I like my school because I learn many new things every day. Education is very important for my future, so I study hard. I want to be a doctor one day.